Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Sandra Jones. Solar arrays and science investigations have arrived to the space station, and preparations are underway for an upcoming spacewalk to augment the station's power generation. On Sunday, November 27th, the uncrewed SpaceX CRS-26 cargo vehicle docked to the International Space Station's space-facing port of the Harmony module after launching from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida the day prior. Packed inside the Cargo Dragon were over 7,700 pounds of cargo, science investigations, and crew supplies, including 2 new solar arrays. These solar arrays, called ISS Rollout Solar Arrays, or IROSAs, will soon be installed aboard the orbital outpost during a spacewalk. On Saturday, December 3rd, NASA astronauts Josh Cassada and Frank Rubio will step out of the Quest airlock to install one of 2 IROSAs delivered on Dragon. They'll be working on the Starboard 4 Truss solar array to add electrical output for the station's 3B power channel. This will be the third of 6 IROSAs currently planned for installation at the International Space Station to increase power generation up to 30%, from 160 kilowatts to 215 kilowatts. In addition to solar arrays, science also arrived on board Dragon. One investigation looks at antibiotic resistance and possible ways to prevent this from occurring on Earth. Novel Methods of Antibiotic Discovery in Space, or NOMADS, assesses the effects of space on bacterial communities by identifying mutations and chemical metabolite secretions using a technology called the iChip. This technology makes it possible to process bacteria as well as extract and analyze genetic material to identify individual species and potential differences caused by space exposure. The International Space Station provides a unique platform for studying how bacteria change and could also help combat the global problem of antibiotic resistance. While Space Station orbits 250 miles above the Earth, another human-rated vehicle is a bit further away. Be sure to check out the latest episode of Artemis All Access to learn about the Orion spacecraft's journey to the moon and beyond as part of a 25.5-day uncrewed test flight. Orion has already passed the distance record for furthest distance from Earth for a human-rated spacecraft and is looking ahead to its return journey to Earth, where it will splash down in the Pacific Ocean. But from a little closer to home, that's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.